What's up, everybody? As you can see, today I've got this baby up on the jack stands to show you a testament to how good old parts can be. Those jack stands, I think, are like 30 plus years old, so it's still good, still doing a job. Today, I'm going to work on the interior a little bit and basically take out a bunch of stuff on the inside, and we'll see, what's underneath all the door panelings and underneath the rear seat as well. Hopefully we'll get a better assessment as to whether I need to acid dip this thing or not. Reason being, acid dipping is going to cost me about $3,500. So if I do everything on the car after stripping it. So I want to see if I can avoid that if possible. And I'll record some video of me disassembling the interior as well. Okay, so now we're inside the car, and I'm gonna remove the handle crank here. So I did some research and looked online, and that cover just comes off nicely there. Not sure what I need screwdriver wise here. Looking in there, looks like it's a Phillips. So I'm gonna grab Phillips head. Poke that baby in there and get that sucker out. Get my light back on. This thing wants to come on and off. And so boom, got the handle off. Now we'll start working around on that panel. I'll bag those parts a little bit later. Now I've got a couple more screws here on the handle that I'm gonna have to pull off. If they're there. Let me see if they're there. All right, so I just looked inside there, and it looks like I need more of a socket set to get at that thing because it's a bolt, not, a Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm gonna go get my ratchet set and pull that out. Okay, so I got lucky. It was actually a 10 millimeter, and I got that right on the first try. So I checked in here. Looks like the other one is already missing. So getting this off could be a piece of cake. So now I'll just have to find out how long this thing is so I can get a replacement for it since the sucker is missing. As you can see, it's coming off pretty easily. Came off pretty nice. Not too bad on the inside by the looks of it. No rust there. But you can see there is rust right in that area right there. So we'll continue pulling this thing off. Hopefully now this will just, it looks like it's crackling a lot. We'll see how this comes off. Looks like I'm gonna have to Google how to pull this thing off, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm using actually my wood pry bar to get off this trim. Seems to be popping off pretty nicely. Work out on the other side. not got that baby. Coming on. There you go. I got the door panel up. Side. This paper is trash. You've got to put the cover. I'll replace that later. I'll show you guys inside. Okay, it was just too dark to show you the inside of the other door. And I didn't want to waste your time by showing you me taking apart the other door. So this is the other door where I have a lot more light. You can kind of see the inside. Definitely here, got a bit of rust in there. And that whole section's rusted. I mean, I got decent hands. I'm not sure if I can get it, but I mean, I may bite the bullet and spend the $3,500 just for peace of mind on the acid dip, which means I gotta strip this baby completely, but hey, it's what I signed up for. I'm not gonna give up and call it quits. You know, yeah, I've heard these things make or break people, but you know, I knew I was signing up for a big project, so may as well continue to have fun. I'll see what else I'm gonna do tonight. I may post it in another video. I'm gonna play around some more, but y'all keep in tune and keep watching. Talk to y'all later.